Yes, I know you would say it's old fashioned or you know it already, but trust me, there's more to removing background images through the website remove.bg. Let's go. I just uploaded an image to remove the background. Oops, it didn't remove the background completely. Click on edit, zoom to the parts you want to trim out. Click erase stroke restore. Set the brush size. Trim out the unwanted parts. You can also blur the background by selecting any of the above blur options. You can add background image and background colors too. I'll click on download to download the results. However, you can download remove.bg app to your Windows, Mac and Linux. Please, if you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell for notification, like, share and comment. Only on SoftGet.